Hello, hello, hello. So get ready with me to pack for a quick shoot for my buddy Levi, who's doing some modelling for UK Custom Plugs, who are a sick brand that do tunnels, plugs for people with holes in their ears like me. So I try to get my stuff ready for shoots like this by dumping everything out onto a flat surface, in this case the sofa, and then figuring out what I'm going to need and what I'm not going to need. For some reason, here I am packing a telephoto lens. Um, I always try to bring that 14mm Samyang fisheye with me because one day I will use it for something other than dance floor shots at weddings. Second telephoto lens. What are you playing at, mate? You don't need that. That's that's completely ridiculous. In fact, I shot this entire shoot on pretty much the lens that is on the body right now in my hand. So I'm not sure why I was worrying too much. Yeah, pretty sure I didn't take off my 60mm f2.8. It's kind of an old lens now, but it's just a really nice prime lens for portraits and stuff like that. So yeah, zipping up the bag. Always pack a little second shoot just in case if anything goes wrong with my main camera. I've always got that. I've got my little transmitter for my studio lights. Not that I was using those because I was outside. Some spare strappage. I love my little vintage Canon strap that normally lives on my main shooter, but I've been playing around with something else recently. So that goes in. And then, yeah, bunch of extra little accessories, some little LED static lights. They should get used for fill, stuff like that. Couple of little GoPro, couple of little GorillaPod tripods, and stuff like USB cables, deodorant because no one wants a smelly tog, and duct tape for holding down cables and stuff, some spare SD cards. These blue packets you can see everywhere are like anti-back wipes. They're just super handy to stick in the pockets. Don't know what the clap was I was doing there. So, this is Levi. We're out in sunny Kings Lynn. Neither of us were prepared for it to snow, but it did the entire time we were shooting. So as we go through, I'm going to bang up some music and stick up some of the shots we get. Peace.